For composition asphalt shingle roofs, you have many options with K2. We have our standard K2 flash product, which uses a standard metal flashing going into the shingles and incorporates our EverSeal technology onto the L-foot and a traditional 5/16 lag screw for going into the rafter with the EPDM sealing washer on the top. And then we also have a series of products that are self-sealing, non-metal flashings that use the EverSeal technology with our SpliceFoot XL and our SpliceFoot X. And the EverSeal technology, instead of a metal flashing going into the shingle coursing, this uses a butyl EverSeal that goes on top of the shingles, and it comes with 2 smaller lag screws that are self-tapping, self-sealing, and go into the rafters. But you do have the option with these screws, if you order additional ones, to go into the 4 corners into the decking. And both use our T-bolt set to install the CrossRail system to both mounts with the SpliceFoot X and XL, as well as the K2 flash. So you have many options with K2, whether you're doing traditional roofing metal flashings or you're doing more of a self-sealing non-metal flashing with our EverSeal technology. So go to our website and check what option is best for you.